friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful flower square pattern which can be used for making bed cover, for table runner, for blanket and so forth and so on. For making bed cover, these are 4 chains. Make 2 chains and join these chain to the leaf of the other pattern and keep on doing this and you will get a nice bed throw or a blanket. So we are going to begin now. For this project we need yarn of 3 colors. The choice of colors depends on you. A hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. First we have to make a slip knot. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2. Foundation ring is ready. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, and chain 1 for the chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is double crochet. Now chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1. We have to make 16 double crochet including these 4. So this is 5th one, chain 1, 6th, chain 1, 7th, chain 1, 8th, chain 1, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and this is 16th. Now chain 1, join these chains into the 3rd chain of the first stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Now 16 double crochet are ready. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Join these stitches in the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again join these stitches in the chain space of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join these stitches in the chain space of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again join the stitches in the chain space. Now complete the round following the same pattern. When the round is complete, we'll join these stitches into the chain space of 1 with a slip stitch. Now into this chain space we have to come with a single crochet and chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, and chain 2 for the chain space. Yarn over into the next chain space, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again we have to make chain 2. Now yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2. So now in every chain space we have to make a single crochet with 2 chains in between them. Complete the round following the same pattern. After the round is complete, we have to make chain 2, and now we have to join the stitches 1, 2, 3 in the 3rd chain with a slip stitch. Now we'll cut the yarn from here because we are going to add another color for the petals. So make a slip knot. Now insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through 2. This is slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, yarn over, pull pull through 2, hold 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, hold 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. There are 4 loops on the hook, pull through all the 4 and a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2, hold 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, hold 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, yarn over into the next chain space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So complete the round following the same pattern. There would be 18 petals after the round is complete. After the end of the round, we are going to join these chains into the third chain of the first stitch. Now we will cut the yarn from here. We are going to add green color for the leaves. A slip stitch first. Now join the yarn with a slip stitch, yarn over 2 times and into the next chain space. We have joined the yarn into this chain space. Again skip this one into the next chain space, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have to make 8 treble crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 2 times. We have to do again and make 8 trebles into the same loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now into the next chain space we have to join the leaf with a slip stitch. Now one leaf is ready. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the next chain space, insert the hook in, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the next chain space, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Now yarn over 2 times. We have to make a leaf again. So keep on repeating the pattern till you have 4 leaves around the circle. After we have made 4 leaves, we'll join the stitch here in the chain space. Again we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, join into the chain space, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the chain space where we have started the pattern of the leaf. Now cut the yarn from here and the flower square is ready. You can join these 2 patterns from the chain space when first part of the leaf is complete. Make chain 2 join the stitch here and then again make chain 2 and start making these 8 treble crochet. So make a bed throw or a blanket for your loved ones. Thank you so much.